j.crew is a well-known brand in the fashion industry, offering a wide range of clothing and accessories for men and women. The brand has a long-standing reputation for classic, stylish, and quality apparel. However, recent customer reviews has been quite mixed. On Trustpilot, j.crew has a rating of 1.9 out of 5 stars, with numerous customers highlighting issues with shipping delays, hidden charges, and poor customer service. Many have reported difficulties with returns and cancellations, resulting in significant frustration. Despite these negative experiences, there are still loyal customers who appreciate j.crew's timeless styles and the quality of materials used in their clothing. Reddit users have pointed out that while j.crew's offerings remain fashionable, the quality and durability of some items have declined over the years. To get the best experience with j.crew, it's recommended to be aware of their return policies and keep an eye on any extra charges during checkout. Shopping in-store might also help avoid some online issues. For potential buyers, reading up-to-date reviews can provide insights into current customer experiences.